What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do all of the mechanical maintenance on our Honda Vamos, including the timing belt, tensioners, all the belts, fluids, everything that we could do to make sure this vehicle is running as best as possible. So without further ado, let's get inside and get started. Once we got it inside, we got the Vamos up on jack stands, pulled off that passenger rear wheel. From there, we supported the engine with the floor jack and then started loosening the motor mount. That way we can get some more access to the timing components. Once we verified the engine was at top dead center, we went ahead and pulled off that cam gear so we can get to more of the timing component behind the cover. From there, we removed the idler pulley and the tensioner. That way we can get the old timing belt off. As you can see, both the timing belt and the idler and tensioner not in good shape, so I'm glad we're in here to get those replaced. That's definitely never been changed. Once the pulleys, idlers, and belts were out of the way, we went ahead and pulled off the water pump. And to our surprise, the coolant actually looks like it's been replaced pretty recently over in Japan before we got it here. But got a nice fresh O-ring and a new water pump. Now it's time to put everything back together with those new pulleys and fresh timing belt. We did also replace the AC belt and the alternator belt, then put all the time covers back on. That way everything's protected, secured. Once everything was taken care of underneath, we went up top, and that's when we took off the spark plugs, valve cover, a new valve cover gasket, new spark plugs, and new coil packs. That way everything's in top shape up here too. Also, we know the engine looks super dirty, but don't worry, that's coming in a future video. We're going to get everything cleaned up from top, bottom, front to back. Just like that, all the common maintenance that everyone should do with their new Japanese import is completed on the Honda Vamos. Now we're going to hop into the interior and start getting to work on that. Please follow along. Let us know if there's anything that we should do to make sure that this is the cleanest 1999 Honda Vamos in the United States. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below.